Hey babes, what's up? It's Haley. Welcome back to my channel. Basically, to kind of explain to you guys what the deal is today, this is my hair. Obviously, I got it colored a little while back and there's still a lot of blonde going on, but the problem is that my roots are really growing out, and I don't know, I just don't think I'm gonna go ahead and go blonde again because it's just getting really dry and I kind of really want to embrace my natural brunette look. So as you can see, I was very conflicted about what to do with my hair, and I love asking you guys for advice. So on my Instagram, I polled you guys on what you think I should do. Should I go back to blonde? Should I do brunette? A couple thousand of you guys voted, which is insane, but I love getting your opinions. That's kind of what the plan is right now. We're gonna go in and see Val. You guys have seen her before if you've seen my hair vlogs. She's the best, and she's just gonna fix me up, hopefully bring my hair back to life. So with all that being said, let's go and change up this hair. I'm at the beautiful Salon Diva right now. I do like my natural color, but I don't know if I can go all brown because after going lighter is gonna be so difficult and I don't want to go through all of that again. Beautiful Val always knows what to do, and she's just mixing my color right now, and we're gonna get her to explain what she has in mind. So she's gonna get my hair all fixed up. Tell me what you are
going to do like a reverse balayage. We're gonna add some low lights, give it some more dimension, and then we're gonna tone it to like a nice ashy brown.
Okay, so I'm gonna sit you guys down. We're gonna see the whole process.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you.
Okay, just move myself on over to the sink. I think we're gonna go ahead and wash it out now. Obviously, we're gonna still need to tone it so that the color can kind of blend in really nicely. Basically what she's gonna do is, you guys saw I had some front like really blonde pieces. She's just gonna take that same brown color we used and I guess just like blend it out a bit more so it's gonna be more seamless. And I think the transition between all of it is gonna look really good. Well, this is the look. We shadowed the roots a little bit and now we're adding in the toner. So yeah guys, this is the final product. If I'm touching my hair a ton, I'm sorry, it's just kind of exciting. I haven't seen myself like this with brown hair in so freaking long. I'm like looking at the viewfinder and I can't even recognize myself, but honestly I love it. I just feel like my hair looks so much healthier, it's so much shinier. Val is honestly incredible. If you're anywhere in Toronto looking for a new hairdresser, I highly suggest going to Val or anybody at the Salon Diva salon. They're like amazing. I'm gonna leave all their information down below. But honestly, I truly love the color so much. I love that she didn't just dye it all brown and make it just very one-dimensional and kind of boring and flat. Instead, she left in a lot of the colors that I had before. She just really toned the blonde down, but she still gave it like this really cool ashy overlay. I am really obsessed with the color. And overall, I think you guys did an amazing job in polling and suggesting that I go brunette, even if it is for the summer. If you guys aren't already, I highly suggest you guys follow me on Instagram if you want to kind of follow me on my daily life. I post a ton of outfit pictures on there to serve you some fashion inspo. But yeah, overall, I'm a happy gal. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like the color. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you like the blonde? Do you prefer the brunette? So be sure to write your thoughts down below, and also subscribe to this channel if you're new, if you enjoyed it. And you guys best know it, after I finished my appointment, there was a thrift store nearby, so I headed in and I did some damage. So that video is coming up next. So be sure to turn on your notification bell to get notified when that video goes live. Love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!